Welcome to quick unboxing of microscope from Banggood. So Banggood apparently has stopped shipping to India, but I ordered it luckily just before a few days. They stopped their services to India. So it's portable microscope, blah blah blah, optical. The good part being this being the optical. Okay. One LED, and this is to switch it on and off, and then you have this magnification window, the dial for magnifying, and there is a battery compartment. How do you open this one? Not sure though. Okay, like so. Let me just put in a couple of pencil batteries. Sorry about that. Okay. Kind of okay product. I would advise against buying this. The optics are not really great, but yeah, don't buy this one. Maybe I'm using it incorrectly. I'll try to figure out how to use it properly then. Okay, and there is one more adjustment point here as well. Maybe my bad. Let me check. So you can adjust it from 2 points, this and this, but still I don't think it's up to the mark. Anyway, thank you for watching.